Good morning. It is the next day. This is my hair. Currently, after one bleach, I'm gonna now go and get some more bleach and more products and stuff. And then, yeah, bleach my hair again, basically. It looks so much darker on camera. Incognito. Nice. Got coffee shakes and coffee sweats. Right, I got multiple things. More bleach, reincarnation mask. I got silver shampoo and conditioner. Like, yeah, I got 2 bleaches. Look at this. This is really bad. I got another white toner and I got hair elixir oil too, so my hair doesn't die. Also got a lighter eyebrow pencil because obviously my eyebrows are very, very dark in comparison to my hair, so I'm gonna need to fix that. I feel really unwell. This is why I don't drink coffee. I feel a lot more prepared than yesterday. Right, this is not okay. Such a nice caramel colour right now. Can't wait to ruin it. I don't think you need to watch me wash my hair again. So Boots had sold out of the scalp mask things. RIP my skin again. Set a timer for 45 minutes.
Okay, 45 minutes and counting.
One hour later.
Time to wash it out. I have a feeling that it's still going to be quite brown and I think I should probably bleach it again, but that's another hour.
A few moments later.
So for some reason, I think it's exactly the same as before. I usually put so much bleach in it. It's still really dark. What the hell? Why is it so pale up here? And then... Take 3. See you in another hour. It has been yet another hour. And it is finally time to wash this out, put in the white toner and see what happens, because I can't physically bleach it anymore because I don't have any more boxes and that would also probably make my hair fall out. So I'm gonna wash this out and see what it looks like basically. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to put white toner on my currently ginger hair and see what happens. So it says to banish yellow from your blonde and neutralize brassy pigments, but I mean it's not even blonde, it's still orange, so whatever. Do not leave on hair for longer than 20 minutes. Okay. Ow! Oh, I just hit my ankle on my phone. It's a lot worse than it sounds. Anyway, right. I'm exhausted. I've literally been doing this the whole day. Like, I woke up at 8, got dressed, went to town, bought more hair stuff, got back, started doing my hair, and it's now 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'm still doing my hair, and I've still got a long way to go. good. Now we wait for another 20 minutes. It has now been 20 minutes since I put in the white toner. I don't feel like it's done absolutely anything because my hair still looks bright orange. So time to wash yourself and be disappointed once more. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think much has happened, much has changed since the first bleaching, and since then I've literally spent like all day doing stuff with my hair, so that's just annoying and a waste of money and time. It's got some nice white bits in it, like some bits of white. I might just put the pink in it, pinky orange. Pretty. I feel like this isn't going to do anything. Well, if nothing else, I have pink hands. Hey Siri, set a timer for half an hour.
Okay, 30 minutes and counting.
Yay. Okay, so I'm done. So this isn't what I expected it to turn out to be, but I actually quite like it, and it's like a nice orange. I don't really know how to describe it. It's like, it doesn't look brassy or anything bad. So let me get close so you can see. It's just ginger. I'm ginger. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of me destroying my hair, and if you did, please give me a like down below, and if you've not already subscribed, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I sometimes put out videos on very different things depending on how I'm feeling. So yeah, thank you for watching and enjoy this montage of my new hair. Bye.